Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best corner clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Housolution aluminum 90 degrees right angle clamp. If you're constantly fighting wobbly joints and skewed corners, the Housolution 4-pack rises above the rest as the top all-around pick for woodworkers who want reliable 90 degrees precision without the fuss. Obviously, you need something that actually holds. Here's the thing, die-cast aluminum at 1000 psi tensile strength means these aren't flimsy toys. The TPR-coated handle makes setup fast, and the two-way swing jaw handles varying material thicknesses without drama. You get 4 clamps, which genuinely matters when you're assembling cabinet frames. No warranty, but the 30-day return softens that. This one's for you. Just grab them. Moving on at number 4, we have the WORKPRO 90-degree corner clamps for woodworking. You're just getting into woodworking, and corner clamps for beginners don't get more approachable than the WORKPRO 4-pack. Obviously, aluminum clamps sound fancier, but here's the thing, you don't always need fancy. These high-strength ABS clamps handle boards from 3/16 to 3/4 thick, which covers most beginner projects comfortably. Spring-loaded, one-handed operation means you're not wrestling your materials mid-glue up. They're genuinely solid for picture frames, small shelves, and cabinet boxes. Now, if you're building heavy-duty furniture daily, step up. But if you're still finding your groove, these make the decision easy. At number 3, we have the Kreg KHCCC 90-degree corner clamp for woodworking. Woodworkers who need dead on 90 degrees joints every time will find our editor's choice does exactly that. Obviously, wonky corners ruin cabinets, drawers, and boxes faster than anything. Here's the thing, the Kreg KHCCC removes that headache entirely by holding your pieces at a precise 90 degrees angle automatically, adjusting for wood up to 1 inch thick without fussing with settings. Now, it's a single clamp, not a pack, so budget accordingly. Alright, but what you're getting is premium metal construction and seamless compatibility with Kreg's screw system. This one's for you if you're already in the Kreg ecosystem. It's a genuinely smart, confidence-building addition to your shop. At number 2, we have the 90-degree corner clamp for woodworking. If precise 90 degrees corners on a budget sound like your kind of deal, the Housolution 4-pack's got your back. Here's the thing, you're getting CNC machined anodized aluminum with 0.1 degree accuracy, which honestly embarrasses tools twice the price. Each clamp handles material up to 80 millimeters thick, so your cabinet sides and drawer boxes fit without drama. The dual inch/millimeter scale markings mean you're not squinting or guessing. Now, the L-shaped rods and plastic nuts aren't glamorous, but they work. This one's for you if you're building furniture, frames, or birdhouses and want repeatable right angles without overthinking it. And finally, at number 1, we have the 4-pack 90-degree corner clamps for woodworking. Getting a grip on perfect 90 degrees corners is where this most popular pack earns its reputation. You've probably wrestled with frames sliding out of square right before the glue sets. Frustrating doesn't cover it. These aluminum alloy clamps hold up to 2.75 inches with a 3.74-inch jaw width, so you're covered for most cabinet and furniture work. The rotating nuts and swing jaw let you adjust fast without losing your mind. Now here's the thing, 4 clamps means you're tackling full frames in one go. If you're serious about cleaner joints without the chaos, this pack's the obvious next move. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.